Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials, then act. Sign into the same Microsoft account on both your Xbox and the Xbox app. This links devices for remote play. Next, make sure the console uses either wired Ethernet or a stable 5 GHz Wi-Fi band to reduce latency. Once done, open settings on the console and enable remote features and instant-on power mode. This allows background connections. These steps set the network and account foundation, so everything else can pair and stream reliably. Now you move into the app and device pairing. Open the Xbox app, go to Devices, then Consoles, and add or connect to your console. Follow the on-screen code if prompted. Once paired, adjust streaming quality. Choose Prioritize Performance for smoother play or choose Resolution for visual clarity. Match it to your bandwidth. Also check local network permissions on your phone or PC and confirm NAT type is open or moderate. These actions ensure the app and console communicate with suitable streaming settings. Finish by testing a short remote session, then observe latency, frame drops, or disconnects so you know what to fix. If you see problems, restart your router, then power cycle the console and the device running the app. This often clears transient network errors. Once restarted, if issues persist, clear the Xbox app cache or reinstall the app to remove corrupted settings. One key troubleshooting tip: if remote play still fails, switch to a wired connection. Wired removes most wireless variability and usually resolves streaming instability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.